Prompt engineering is already dead, and the people quietly building the real AI products, the ones actually making money, moved on from it a year ago to this. It's called context engineering, and I need you to actually hear me on something. This is not a little prompt trick. This is the thing entire companies are being built on right now. Give me 2 minutes and you will never look at these AI tools the same way again. So here's the whole thing in one line. A prompt is what you ask. Context is everything the AI can see at the moment it answers. And this is the rule that runs all of it. The AI is only ever as smart as what's in front of it. Same model, same question. Give it nothing, you get generic mush. You give it the right stuff, and it answers like the best expert you've ever hired. Prompt engineering was hunting for magic words. Context engineering is controlling what the AI knows before it says a single thing. That's the entire shift. And before anyone panics, no, this is not coding. If you just heard the word code and tensed up, relax. You don't type any of this. You literally just tell the AI, in plain English, what to go get. Now here's the part that turns this from a tip into products. Context doesn't have to be one thing you paste in once. It can be assembled live, built fresh, every single message. Sit with what that means for a second. You can make a thing where every word the user says becomes new context. That steers the next answer. The conversation compounds. What they said in turn 1 shapes turn 2, shapes turn 3. You're not writing one clever prompt and then hoping. You're building a little machine that keeps feeding itself the right information on the fly while the person is still typing. Let me make it real. Customer support. Someone writes in, "Where's my order?" A normal bot hands them the same canned garbage it hands everyone, but build it with context. In the instant that message lands, the system quietly goes and grabs everything about that person. Their actual order from Stripe, their whole history from your CRM, every ticket they've ever opened, wraps all of it around their question and then answers. So now it's not, "Here is our returns policy." It's, "Hey, Sarah, your order shipped Tuesday. It's held up in Ohio. Here's the new date, and I already put your shipping back on your card." It feels like it knows her, because now it actually does. Same AI as the dumb bot. The only thing that changed is what you fed it. Now flip it around. Some of the best AI products being built right now are basically nothing but a context gathering machine with a nice interface on top. Watch. Interview prep. You hand it your resume. You hand it the exact job you're going for. Now it interviews you, and every answer you give becomes context, so the next question gets sharper. It digs where you're weak. It circles back on the thing you fumbled. It adapts to you in real time. That's not a chatbot reading off a script. That's context engineering with a face on it. And you can point that same engine at anything. Coaching, onboarding, a diagnosis tool, a sales qualifier. Gather the right context, aim it. You've got a product. So here's what I actually want you to walk out with. Stop asking, "What do I type?" Start asking, "What does this AI need to know to be brilliant right here? And how do I get that in front of it automatically?" The day that clicks, you stop using AI and you start building with it. And that, how you actually pass the right context, wire up where it comes from, and shape the final answer, is the exact thing I teach. Step by step, the practical way, nothing skipped. If you're done playing with prompts and you want to build the real thing, check my profile.